I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC like a pro. First, you'll need to set up your environment. Download a top-tier emulator such as Game Loop, which is officially recommended. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores for smooth gameplay. Then, meticulously customize your keybinds. This ensures every action from looting to shooting feels natural and responsive, giving you a significant edge over mobile players. Next, let's dive into mastering your controls and in-game settings. Fine-tune your sensitivity to achieve pixel-perfect aim and manage recoil effortlessly. Experiment with advanced graphics options to gain a visual advantage, ensuring you can spot distant enemies without any lag. Crucially, practice your lean and peek maneuvers. This allows you to engage targets while exposing only a minimal portion of your character, significantly increasing your survivability in intense gun battles. Now, let's elevate your gameplay with pro strategies. Begin by prioritizing smart looting. Grab high-tier weapons, ample ammunition, and essential healing items within the first 2 minutes. Master advanced movement techniques such as jump shooting and effective strafing to make yourself a challenging target for opponents. Always maintain acute map awareness, predicting enemy rotations and the shrinking zone's path. This proactive approach will position you for late-game success and more chicken dinners. Finally, here are some advanced tips to truly play like a pro. Effective communication with your squad is paramount. Use precise callouts for enemy locations and loot. Master the strategic use of utility items. Smoke grenades for cover, frag grenades for flushing out enemies, and stun grenades for pushing. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing quick scope and flick shots in the training grounds. These skills will dramatically enhance your close quarters combat and overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.